Okay, so I swapped over the filter cassette into this channel. I'm just going to tighten it a little bit with this tool and then situate the flow calibrator cap. So you'll notice that these little nubs coincide with, or align with these things, so you can see that there's like a satisfying pressing on. There we go. And it looks like it's seated well everywhere. We want to put our hose on immediately, and the sample has just started, so we can start measuring that flow and letting it stabilize. If it's not within range, if it's not, basically with this flow meter we need it to be between 2 and 2.2 liters per minute. If it's outside of that range, there's a function in the ASPEN Box app to offset the flow, so you can increase it or decrease it by up to 20%. So if it was at 2.4 right now, I would decrease it by 10% and then measure again. But we've seen that these are quite steady over time, so I think we probably will not have to use that. So this one's a little bit higher, which is interesting, but still within range, which is good. So it's been pretty solid at 2.150. Just as I say that, it jumps up, but that's quite accurate, or within a tight range, so I'll go with 2.150. 2.150. And since we didn't have to change the flow with that offset, we don't have any corrected flow value, so no value. You can leave that empty. And there we have it, flow calibration. It's pretty easy to do. We'll just bring this with us to the field once a month and do this check.